Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Molecular formula versus structural formula versus skeletal formula. Correct answer is the molecular formula shows the actual number and types of atoms in a molecule. The structural formula depicts the connectivity of atoms in one molecule. The skeletal formula simplifies the structural formula by using lines to represent bonds and omitting hydrogen atoms attached to carbon. Each type of formula provides different levels of detail about a molecule's composition and structure, offering valuable insights for understanding chemical properties and reactions.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.